Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet this easy and very beautiful baby blanket pattern. You can see that it's a 3D pattern, it's front view, and this is the back view. I used one color of Alize Baby Best yarn and 3.5 millimeters hook. It's very easy because it's a 2 rows repeated pattern. You can use it for many projects. If you're ready, let's get started. For the beginning, make a slip knot and then chain a multiple of 4 plus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. And repeat that. You have to repeat these 4 chains until you reach the desired width for your pattern. Then add 3 more chains. I made 19 chains totally, and now skip first 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and go to next chain, yarn over, insert the hook into that, and make a double crochet. Then chain 2, yarn over, insert into same chain, and make another double crochet. Okay, I have a V-stitch into 5th chain, and now skip next 1, 2, 3 chains and make a V-stitch into next chain. 1 double crochet, 2 chains, and another double crochet into same chain. Skip next 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and make a V-stitch into next chain. 1 double crochet, 2 chains, and another double crochet into same chain. And repeat this sequence. Skip next 3 chains, make a V-stitch into the next. I'm at the end, and this is the last V-stitch. Now I'm at the end. I have 2 chains, skip next chain and make a double crochet into last chain and make a double crochet. Okay, row 1 is finished. For next row, chain 3 and turn the work and make a front post double crochet around next double crochet. Yarn over, insert the hook from front to back to front again around next stitch, and yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and this is a front post double crochet. Then I go to next chain 2 space and make 1 double crochet, 2, and 3, then chain 1 and make 3 double crochets again into same space. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, then I have to make an incomplete front post double crochet around next double crochet here. Yarn over, insert the hook from front to back to front around that, and yarn over, pull through 2. Don't complete that because I want to make an incomplete front post double crochet around next double crochet. So yarn over, insert the hook around next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, and yarn over, pull through 2. Now I have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all of them, and then go to next chain 2 space and make 3 double crochets into that. 1, 2, and 3. Then chain 1 and make 3 double crochets again into same space. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, now I want to make an incomplete front post double crochet around next and around next, and then collect all loops on the hook. So yarn over, insert the hook around next double crochet, yarn over, pull through 2. Again, yarn over, insert the hook around next double crochet, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, and then yarn over, pull through all loops. Okay, you have to repeat this sequence until the end. Okay, I'm at the end, and after last chain 2 space, I have a double crochet and make 1 front post double crochet around that. And now make a double crochet into last chain of turning chains here. And row 2 is finished. For next row, chain 3 and turn the work, and I want to repeat row 1. So yarn over, insert the hook into next chain 1 space between these 3 double crochet and 3 double crochet here, and make a V-stitch here. 1 double crochet, 2 chains, and another double crochet into same space. Okay, again, go to next chain 1 space here and make a V-stitch into that. 1 double crochet, chain 2, and 1 double crochet. And repeat this sequence, make a V-stitch into each chain 1 space. At the end, make a double crochet into 3rd chain of turning chains here. And row 3 is finished. For next row, chain 3 and turn the work and repeat row 2. Actually, I make a front post double crochet around next double crochet and make 3 double crochet into next chain 1 space, 1, 2, and 3, then chain 1 and make another 3 double crochet into same space, 1, 2, 3, and yarn over, insert hook around next double crochet, make an incomplete front post double crochet, again yarn over, make an incomplete front post double crochet around next double crochet, and then yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook and go to next chain through space and make 3 double crochet, 1 chain, and 3 double crochet into that, and repeat this sequence until the end. And after that, you have to repeat these 2 rows, row 2, row 3. These 2 rows must be repeated several times until you reach the desired height for your pattern. I repeat these 2 rows several times, and this is my pattern. You can see that it's very nice and it's very easy, and you can use it for many projects. I hope this video will be useful for you. If you like that, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.